If you want a healthy breakfast at Chick-fil-A, one option you can try is their egg white grill sandwich with a medium fruit cup. It's definitely a healthier choice compared to other items on the menu, such as the hash brown scramble burrito or the chicken, egg, and cheese biscuit with hash browns. Of all the sandwich options, the egg white grill is the lowest in calories and fat, while also being the highest in protein, which makes it a really solid choice. The egg white grill sandwich consists of a grilled chicken breast patty on a classic English muffin with egg whites and American cheese. The total nutrition content for this sandwich is 300 calories, 8 grams of fat, 31 grams of carbs, 28 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and 1020 milligrams of sodium. The fruit cup includes chopped slices of red and green apples, mandarin orange slices, strawberry slices, and blueberries. The fruit together comes to 60 calories, 0 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein, 11 grams of sugar, and 0 milligrams of sodium. For a beverage, I got a free water cup. Chick-fil-A has one of the best ice cubes out there, so that's a refreshing bonus. Anyways, this entire meal, nutrition-wise, brings you to 360 calories, 8 grams of fat, 46 grams of carbs, 29 grams of protein, 13 grams of sugar, and 1020 milligrams of sodium. This is a great filling breakfast choice that gives you both savory and sweet, that's relatively lower in calories and fat. I would definitely recommend it if you're at Chick-fil-A. And if you want to see other healthier fast food options, check out the playlist here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.